We got little donkeys in the way, mommy and baby. There you go, they're taking off running. So I'm not following them. This is the way back to my camp. And Nazca wants them. Yeah, there's the male. So I have to be careful. Oh my gosh. My dog's going crazy if you can see him. He wants them. They're over there. They're going back up the mountain. Can you see them? Alright, let's go. Nazca, be good. Again, I am not following them. Do not follow wild animals, including donkeys. They will kick you. There they are. And that is the male. The big male. Old man guarding his family. But we can all cohabitate together.